So, this is Real Korean class with World Best Korean teacher, Eugene. Okay, so before I begin today, I'd like to apologize for not uploading new videos for a while. I think it's been a month, right? Well, I'm so sorry. I was busy preparing for PhD qualifying exam. Well, the exams that to get qualification to write thesis paper for PhD. Yes. So once again, I'm sorry. 죄송합니다. But I came back with very useful expressions in Korean. Well, today I'm gonna tell you guys about expressions about the exam. Okay, are you ready? 그럼 시작할까요? 네. So, how do you say take the test in Korean? 시험을 보다. 시험을 보다. You may think, hey Eugene, 보다. It means see or watch, right? So, you see the test? Yeah, of course. You may see the papers and the writings, like the questions, right? Well, but when you say 시험을 보다, it means you take the test. So you use it like this. What did you do on Sunday? What did you do on Sunday? Well, I took topic test. Yeah. So 일요일에 뭐 했어? 나 토픽 시험 봤어. Yes, something like this. Well, you may say 시험을 치다. 치다. Not this. 치다. Yeah, not this 치다. But when you say 시험을 치다, it also means you take the test. However, I think most people, we use 시험을 보다 more often than 시험을 치다. So, what do you do before you take the exam? Yeah, of course, you will prepare for the exam, right? So, how do you say prepare for the exam? 시험 공부를 하다. Or 시험 공부. Yes, you can say it as noun, 시험 공부, like you look so tired. What happened? Oh, because of, studying for the exam like this. 너 피곤해 보여. 무슨 일 있어? 시험 공부 때문에 그래. Yes, you can use it as a noun or you can use it as a verb as 시험 공부하다. 시험 공부하다. What did you do on weekend? I prepared for the exam. 주말에 뭐 했어? 나 시험 공부했어. Yes, like this. But really, you prepare for the exam? Yeah, you probably do, but usually you say, I will prepare for the exam like a week or like a month, like for a month. But usually you do that just the day before the test, right? So, how do you say I cram for the exam? Cram for it, right? The study you just day before the test. In Korean, you say 벼락치기. Or 벼락치기, it's a noun, and or 벼락치기 하다. 벼락치기를 하다. Yeah, it's a verb. So, do you know what 벼락 is? 벼락. 벼락 is the lightning. Yeah, thunderbird from the sky. And that thunderbird is really fast, right? So, when you cram for the exam, since you don't have much time, you have to study so fast in short time. So, in Korean, it means in Korean, 벼락치기. So, you study so fast like lightning. Yeah. So how do you say 벼락치기? How do, in a sentence? Like oh, what about going to theater tonight? Oh, I'm sorry. I should cram for the exam tonight. 오늘 저녁에 영화 볼래? 아, 미안해. 나 벼락치기 해야 돼. 나 벼락치기 해야 돼. Yes, like this. Oh, you look so tired. Didn't you sleep at all? Yeah, I crammed for the exam last night. Yeah, whole night. 너 피곤해 보여. 너 잠 못 잤어? 나 벼락치기 했어. Yes, like this. So, yeah. So, what's important about the test? Yeah, of course, the result, right? So, how do you say you do well on the test? 시험을 잘 보다. What? You see well? No. It means when you say 시험을 잘 보다, it always means you did well on the test. So like, how was the test? I did well on the test. I aced the exam. Yeah, something like this. 시험 어땠어? 나 잘 봤어. 나 시험 잘 봤어. Yes, like this. But then, how do you say in opposite, like, you didn't get a good grade or the result is bad? You say 시험을 못 보다. But it's important. I mean, when you say 시험을 못 보다, it can have two meanings. First, you messed up the test, or not that much messed up. Like, yeah, you didn't get good grade from the test. And second, you couldn't take the test. So like, did you do well on the test? Since I didn't take the test, I couldn't take the test because of the stomachache. I had to stay at my home like this. 시험 잘 봤어? 나 시험을 못 봤어. 나 배탈이 나서 집에 있었어. Yeah, something like that. So, if you say 시험을 못 보다, it can mean also you couldn't take the test or you didn't get a good grade. So, but I think mostly we use 시험을 못 보다. It means you didn't get a good grade. So like, how was the test? Nah, bad. 시험 어땠어? 나 시험 잘 못 봤어. Oh yeah, you may add 잘 into it in front of 못 보다. So like this. 나 시험 잘 못 봤어. 나 시험 못 봤어. Yeah, like this. Well, but if you, how do you say I messed up? Yeah, with the test. Yeah, you really screwed up. So you say, I mean, when you really seriously get a bad grade, you say 시험을 망치다. 나 시험 망쳤어. 나 시험 망쳤어. I messed up. Yeah, something like this. 시험을 망치다. Okay, so this is all for today. Today I told you the expression about the exam. First, take the test. 시험을 보다. Second, prepare for the test. 시험 공부 or 시험 공부하다. Third, cram for the test. 벼락치기, 벼락치기 하다. And four, do well on the exam. 시험을 잘 보다. 시험을 잘 보다. Fifth, you didn't do well on the test. 시험을 잘 못 보다. Or 시험을 못 보다. And finally, you messed up. 시험을 망치다. 시험을 망치다. Okay, it's all for today. So did you enjoy this video? Then please subscribe and click the like button. And if you find it really helpful, please tell your friends about this video so I can help more students. Okay, then see you later. Bye.